This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Available for 2024 season. Booked 2023. Walk 1 block to beautiful South Beach. Penthouse corner unit with open floor plan. Very private and light with ocean to river views from relaxing sunroom. Expansive views from rooftop, 1 flight up with 2 community rooms. Shared laundry on floor. 55 plus community. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-774-4405.